How to make your iPhone turn sideways or rotate the iPhone screen. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the application or any of the page that you want to rotate the screen. Let me move into Safari for now. Let's say I want to rotate the screen. What you want to do is slide down the screen from the top right corner. Tons of different settings will be visible to you. Right here, you'll get to see this icon, which means that right now the rotate feature is turned off. In order to turn it on, you simply have to click on it. Now if you go back to your Safari, and if you rotate the screen, within a second, your screen will be rotated. Now if you move into any other application, let's say if I move into Pinterest, then this feature might not work. Even if I rotate my device, the screen will not rotate. If you wanted to turn it sideways, then simply head over to Settings and then move into Control Center. With the help of this feature, you will be able to manage the application that you want to make it turn sideways. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can make your iPhone turn sideways or rotate the iPhone screen. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.